Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're planning in my horizontal layout that I use for a journal. This is for the week of May 3rd through Sunday, May 9th. And I am going to be using Heather Kell's new, well not new, her Neutral Floral sticker book. And so I did a boo-boo, another boo-boo. And I pre-chose stickers, and I used the wrong stickers for the wrong spread. So I used the stickers that I had chosen for this spread. I actually used them in my mini. So now I'm going to try to fix that blunder and use the stickers that I chose for the mini in this spread. So let's just see how this goes. I want to check out, so of course I need to get bigger stickers or more stickers because this is much bigger than a mini spread. And where are the boxes with these florals? Okay, I didn't go far enough, I guess. Oh, there they are. Okay, so I think I'm going to start on this side. And I'm thinking that I'm going to layer some stickers here. Maybe those. Of course, that's crooked. I'm not going to white out behind there because that's just too much. And maybe I don't know if I want to come behind that with a flower. I don't know. Why don't we go this way? I think I'm going to go under this one. I just messed up that sticker. Let's go a little bit higher. So let's go here. There, and then I'm going to have to white out this black line back here. It is so dark. Probably going to white it out twice. Okay. Alright, that's a good start. Okay, so I have some florals and a quote that I wanted to put down here in the bottom. We're going to white out notes. I think I'm just going to try to make these stay in the box. And then come in with the X-Acto and trim this off. So let's get this out of the way. And then we'll put the quote beside this and then put a different type floral on the other side. Well, let's hope it can fit. So this quote, like all these stickers, came out of Heather's book. So this says, "You can do hard things." So Monday the 3rd, I go back to work. And I have not worked since 2011. Well, I mean, I did work a little bit, but not like vet tech and physically like hard on your body job. So it's going to be hard for me to get used to get back into the routine. So I thought this quote would be appropriate for me. And I'm thinking I would love for these flowers to work out on this side. I may have to white out this black back here. And then take out some of this black down the side. I should have let the other ones go over the edge too, but oh well. It'll be okay to just do this. I'm going to get rid of this dark black line here. Not really going to worry about all the smaller, lighter lines, just this really dark one here on the edge. Just get rid of it. Okay. And then I'll trim off that little bottom piece there. So let's go to the other side now. I really don't have any stickers chosen because I was going to use smaller stickers and that didn't work out. So why don't we use this long one? Y'all know I like to put a long sticker over on this side. So let's just take a long black one. And we're going to have to white out all these lines behind here. Get rid of this one. Okay, and then I think we'll just layer it with a sticker that has some florals in it. I kind of like this one. And I can get rid of the black line behind there. So let's go ahead and do that. Before it gets stuck too much or too good. It's hard to do sideways. Okay, and then I think that's kind of crooked. Oops. Forgot I was holding that down. I think it is a little bit crooked. And of course, I'm ripping it. Okay, I just poked myself with my tweezers. Those little things are sharp. Alright. Okay, that's cute. So it's pretty basic, just because it's all black and white, but I like it. Let's try this off over here. Where'd that go? There it is. Alright, and this little piece here. Okay. Now I think I need to, boy that hurt. A little tiny poke. I think I need to come in with another floral. Maybe over here. I'm not sure. Let's see what we've got. I kind of wish these were going like the opposite direction. But I think I can still use them. If I can get them off the page. Okay. So if I line this up here, I'm going to just cut like this. And try to put this here. Whoa. Alright, so we're going to cut a little, I can cut that off. I'm going to cut that stem off some. Because I don't want it to go over the black line there. So I'll take my X-Acto and cut this right here. And peel that up. If it's not too stuck already. Hopefully it's not. Okay. Alright, so that's cute like that. And then I have this piece that I could put somewhere. Although I'd kind of rather put it over here, but it's not going to match, so I think I'm just going to save it. Save it for next time. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. I think this is cute, and I think this is going to be it, honestly, for this spread. So let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. Y'all let me know in the comments if you like just a basic spread. If you did enjoy this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And go follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.